Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a level 40 Mosasaurus from Jurassic World the game. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin over here and we want to make the eye. So I'm going to start right here and we're going to just draw a little line that goes up and then it's going to come right down for the little eyebrow ridge. Next, right in here, we want to make a little oval. So we're just going to draw a little oval shape that goes right around here for the eye. Now, right above here, we're going to make a little line that goes up, and then it's going to come back like this. Now, right along here, we want to make the head. So to do this, you just want to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come really close to the edge of your paper and kind of curve around. Next, we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve back into kind of like a creepy little smile. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down. It's going to curve to here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down, and it's going to come back up like this. Then I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to draw a line that goes down and curves up for the jaw. Now I want to add some teeth. So the Mosasaurus is going to have some really long, sharp teeth. So we're going to put some sharp teeth all in along here. Then I'm also going to put some sharp teeth on the bottom as well. You want to draw a little line that's just going to kind of come up at an angle to here. And I'm going to add some more sharp teeth on this side. Now right down here, we're going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to bring it right up to here. And I'm going to add a few more of these lines, and just to make some like little curved lines in here, make some of them broken. Now I want to jump back on the top here, and I'm going to just draw a line that goes up, and that's going to slowly come down like this. And I'm going to continue this line all the way to about there. Now starting here, we're going to draw a little line that goes over. And I want to draw the little flipper. So to do this, we're going to draw a line that goes down. And it's going to curve back like this. I'm going to hook it around and then draw a line that goes up like this. Now over here to draw the other flipper, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out. And it's going to come back like this. Then we're just going to curve this up to here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up for the stomach. And then for this next flipper, we're just going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come out like this, almost like a little boomerang shape. And then it's just going to curve back like this. Now, starting back here where it kind of curves up a little bit, we're going to draw a line that comes up. It's going to come to a point and then come down like a shark fin. Next, we're going to jump right over here on this little flipper, and I'm going to draw the tail. Now, the tail's really long, so we're just going to kind of have to shorten it up a bit. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a long line that's going to curve up, and then it's just going to come back like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes out like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes back, and as I get a little bit closer to the body, we're going to get a little bigger, and then we're going to connect it like that. Now the Mosasaurus is going to have some little spikes going across its body. It's going to start here, and we're just going to curve them back a little bit. And then as we go along here, we're going to get bigger and bigger spikes, and they're going to go all the way along the top of this little shark fin that he has. Now, once we go down here, we're also going to add some more of these spikes, and they're going to kind of get really tall towards the end of the tail, and as they get very close to the tip, they're going to get smaller. So we're just going to add some of these sharp little spikes here, just little triangle shapes. As they get towards this part, they're going to get really big, and then they're going to slowly get a little bit smaller. So here's our basic drawing of our level 40 Mosasaurus. Now we want to come in here and add some of the different details. So starting up here by the eye, I'm just going to add a little broken line that goes down here, and then another little broken line that comes back here. I'm going to add some extra little lines right around the eye here. I'm going to add a little broken line right around the top and bottom of the mouth. And then along the top here, there's going to be some of these little kind of quick little lines all around here. And then we'll put some at the bottom here too. Right around the eye, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines for some details. And maybe one or two along the top. Then I'm going to add a small little pupil in here that I'm just going to color in most of it, leave a little bit white. I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve up here and along the top too for the head. And then a couple little extra lines right around here for some details. Got another little broken line right around the eye. I'm going to make some little lines that just kind of curve right around here just to show where the leg is kind of, or the flipper is kind of attached. And then I'm going to draw some little lines right along here, little broken lines for some details. Do the same thing on this back flipper, a couple little broken lines. I'm going to add a little line or two that just kind of go up the back of the fin here. And then I'm going to add just some really light little kind of broken lines that kind of curve around here for some little details, make it look like the Mosasaurus is round. We'll add some little lines right along the tail too. And we do this as just quick little broken lines, nothing perfect, just little lines. This would just kind of help make things look round. Add like a line or two going down here. A couple lines on here too. And then finally, the Mosasaurus is going to have some different stripes on here. Now, there's definitely some different ways that you guys can do this. There are a couple different stripe patterns. Some of them have more of like a tiger stripe pattern. Some have more of like stripes that are going right down the edge. So it's totally up to you how you guys want to do this. I'm just going to go and I'm going to keep kind of like the simple little stripe pattern here. So to do this, I'm just going to add some little jagged lines that just kind of go up and down. They kind of come to a point. We'll add some more right along here, just for some little details. I'm going to add a little kind of stripe pattern right here by the eye. And just no really right or wrong way to do this. Just kind of add these different little patterns all around here. Just some kind of jagged little lines. There are going to be some that go across the fins too, or the little flippers. Kind of similar to a tiger pattern, but not quite. You can add some more on this back one too. And then you'll even see a few along the tail too. Just some little kind of stripe patterns going down here, kind of following the shape of the tail. And you might see some small ones right around here. And maybe a few more kind of coming along the body here. But there you go. There's your drawing of a level 40 Mosasaurus from Jurassic World the game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.